introduce ourselves. My name is Nurada Adana binti Nasaruddin.
My name is Ahmad Muhammad Azim bin Rafiq.
My name is Nurul Anis Hafizah binti Amran.
My name is Nur Najwa binti Raisha.
Today we are presenting our integrated design project entitled Smart Library Management System. The project was developed to address several common issues faced in modern libraries, including misplaced book, inefficiency occupancy monitoring, and lack of reading activity tracking. By integrating Internet of Things technology, RFID identification, cloud communication, and embedded system, this project aims to improve library management efficiency through real-time monitoring and automation. Current library management system mainly focus on recording, borrowing, and returning activities. However, books are often misplaced by user after reading. Although the system indicates that the book is available, user may spend a significant amount of time searching for it physically. In addition, seat occupancy is usually monitored manually by library staff. This process becomes inefficient during peak hours. Furthermore, books that are read inside the library without being borrowed are not properly recorded. As a result, library administrators have limited information regarding actual resource utilization. The objectives of this project are: first, to develop an RFID-based book identification and shelf validation system. Second, to design a seat occupancy monitoring system using FSR 402 pressure sensor. Third, to create a cloud-based dashboard for real-time monitoring and data analytics.
Hi, I will explain about the hardware of our project. Okay, our project consists of mainly circuit and miniature model that made from plastic. Okay, plastic and some woods here. Okay, let's go to our main important thing first, which is the circuit. So the circuit here we utilize breadboard and some power supply board, and our main important component too, which is ESP32. Okay, first thing that I want to explain is ESP32. It acts as a microcontroller that collects all the data from our sensor, our hardware sensor. Okay, second component is the RFID sensor, which is embedded or stick on the wall of the shelf. Here there are 4 RFID sensors, namely RC522. Okay, then our second sensor is pressure sensor FSR 402. Okay, and then some jumpers and LED indicators. It indicates like this. When I press the pressure sensor, LED is on. When I don't press, it is off. So this model here is intended to simulate the prototype of library management system only.
Let's move on to the next page is book management page. In book management page, we have 2 types of books activity and in-house usage analytics. In books activity, we have 5 columns, which is book title, category, expected shelf, current shelf, and last one is status. So, here a book placed on its designated shelf, the RFID reader successfully detects on the RFID tag. The ESP32 process the information and updates the dashboard. If you guys can see, this is our status. All of this is correct, and the dashboard indicates that the book is correctly placed in the correct shelf. Okay, so let me show some example how it works. Okay, let me show some example of misplaced books. Let me take out the networking books and swap with engineering math books and watch the status. show the misplaced of networking books and engineering maths. Let me show another example. Let's watch in the status. Alright, as you guys can see, operating system and machine learning, books, swap, and the status is misplaced and misplaced. I will simulate in-house usage books and I will rearrange the books and you guys can see the status in use. Okay, you guys can see this is our output. Okay, now I will simulate in-house usage analytics and you guys can show the total usage count column. Okay, so all of total usage count increased by 1. Okay, now I will simulate the seat management. As you guys can see, for the green color is available seat, for the red color is occupied seat. So, as you guys can see now in table A, the green color for both sides S1 and S2 is available. So, for the gray color is as a dummy. I will show you how it works. So, as you guys can see, the output for S1 changed to red. So, that means S1 is occupied. And S2 is green color, that means S2 is available seat. Next, I will show you if both of S1 and S2 is red color. Now, this is our output S1 and S2 in the red color, that means S1 and S2 is occupied. Okay, the last one is, this is overall summary for our project. As you guys can see, book status, total of books is 4, 2 misplaced books and 2 correct of books. This is the pie chart. So, move to seat occupancy, 1 available seat and 1 occupied seat. This is our pie chart. The next one is reading analytics. Most accessed books is networking, popular category artificial intelligence, last book access machine learning at 1:56 p.m. This is graph for books usage by category, total usage count. All of the books is 1, the average. So last one is real-time seating availability map. If you guys can see, the output show the S1 in the red color is occupied and S2 in the green color is available.
To evaluate the performance of our system, several tests we conduct. Based on the testing result, the RFID readers successfully detect the book and identify their location correctly. The system was also able to detect misplaced book and immediately update the dashboard. For seat monitoring, the FSR sensor successfully detect whether a seat was occupied or available. All data was transmitted and displayed on the dashboard in real time. The system achieved all of the objectives that we had planned at the beginning of this project. The system can track book location, monitor seat occupancy, and record reading activity efficiently. This project provides several benefits for both library user and library management. For user, it helps them find book more easily and check seat availability without wasting time. For library staff, it reduces the need for manual monitoring and improves the efficiency of library operation. In addition, the system uses low-power electronic components, making it safe and suitable for daily use. For future improvement, we plan to develop a mobile application so users can access the information directly from their smartphone. We also plan to enhance the dashboard with more detailed analytics to help library administrators better understand user behavior and library usage.
The system improves book tracking accuracy
It also enables real-time seat occupancy monitoring
and provide useful analytics for library administrators.
Thank you for watching our presentation.